Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving right in to learn how to add due times to tasks on Asana, providing you the most updated guide for 2025. Let's get started. First, log into your Asana account and navigate to your task list. Select the task you want to add a due time to. The reason we do this is to ensure we're setting a time for the correct task, keeping our schedule organized and precise. Next up, once you've selected the task, look for the due date field. Click on it, and a calendar will pop up. The importance of this step is that it sets the context for the due time. It gives a clear vision of when this task needs to be completed, helping us manage our time more effectively. Now that we've done that, let's add the due time. Right under the due date on the same pop-up window, you'll see a field that says Add a due time. Click on it and set the specific time you desire. This helps us because it not only gives us a deadline, but a specific hour to aim for, aiding in punctuality and preventing last-minute rushes. Let me explain why this matters. Asana uses these due times to send you reminders about your upcoming tasks. If you're someone who forgets about tasks, this feature will be of great help to you. Once you've added your due time, click Set Due Date and Time. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is saving your preferences and will start to remind you about the task as the due time approaches. And that's it. Adding due times to tasks on Asana is as simple as that. By following these steps, you're not only keeping your tasks organized, but also ensuring that you're always on top of your schedule. Thanks for joining today's tutorial. Remember, effective time management is just a few clicks away with Asana. Keep tuning in for more tips and tricks. And until next time, happy organizing.